In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a project in Asana using the current interface. If you're cleaning up old work or removing a duplicate, I'll walk you through the exact clicks so you can do it confidently and avoid surprises. First, open Asana and look to the left sidebar. Click Projects to view the list of projects available to you. Then open the specific project you want to delete. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct workspace or team, and double-check the project name so you're absolutely sure you're deleting the right one. It's a small pause that can save you a lot of headaches later. With the project open, move to the very top of the project page and click the project name. Right next to the name, you'll see a small arrow pointing down, the little V icon. Click that arrow to reveal more options related to the project. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Project Settings. This will open a settings panel for that specific project, where you can manage various details and controls. We're heading to the bottom of this panel, so scroll all the way down until you see the option labeled Delete Project. When you're ready, click Delete Project. Asana will immediately prompt a confirmation window to make sure you intended to perform this action. Read the message carefully, and if you're certain, click Delete to confirm. The project will be removed from your workspace. A quick reminder you should hear clearly: deleting a project is permanent and cannot be undone. Once it's gone, you won't be able to restore it. Only project admins or owners have permission to delete a project, so if you don't see the delete option, you might not have the required access and may need to ask the project owner to handle it. If your goal is simply to tidy up your view without removing historical information, consider archiving instead. Archiving hides the project from active lists but keeps it available for reference, which is often safer if you're unsure. Before you confirm deletion, make sure the project doesn't contain tasks or attachments you still need. If other teammates rely on it, it's courteous to let them know what's happening or choose archiving to reduce disruption. And that's how to delete a project in Asana using the current interface. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.